Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy low twisted bun. I've started off by leaving some hair out to frame the face, and now all I'm going to do is split the rest of the hair into 3 equal sections. So starting on that middle section, I'm just going to gather the hair and twist it in one direction, and then I'm just going to secure the end with a clear elastic band. Now take that twist and just wrap it around the base at the nape of the neck and secure all around the outside of that little bun with a few bobby pins. Add some texture spray. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below for you, and I'm just going to loosen up the crown area by gently pinching and pulling, and also pinch and pull on the bun to give it a more voluminous look. Release the side section and we're going to gather this together and twist it all the way towards the head, and then just again secure it off with a clear elastic band at the very end. Drape this twist over the top of the bun and then just secure it across the top of the bun with a couple of bobby pins. Bring the ends all the way around the bun and underneath and just secure it into place. And we're just going to repeat that on the left hand side. So twist all the hair towards the head, secure that twist with a clear elastic band, and then we're just going to drape it across the first twist and bring it round to the side and down underneath the bun. Now just secure it all the way around with a few more bobby pins. Add some more texture spray, and we're going to loosen up each side by gently pinching and pulling the hair. Now pinch and pull on the twist to give it more volume. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.